Best Papasan chairs comparison. Double Papasan chairs have become a staple in modern living spaces, offering a blend of comfort, style, and versatility. Whether you're looking for a cozy reading nook, a relaxing lounge chair, or a statement piece for your home, Papasan chairs deliver on all fronts. List 1. The OSP Home Furnishings Wicker Papasan chair is a bohemian-inspired design featuring durable resin wicker wrapped over a sturdy metal frame. Its 360-degree swivel mechanism allows for effortless movement, making it ideal for multi-purpose use in living rooms, bedrooms, or even gaming setups. The Dacron-filled cushion provides plush comfort, and the straps ensure the cushion stays in place during use. With a maximum weight capacity of 200 pounds, this chair is best suited for light to moderate use. In terms of performance, the swivel mechanism operates smoothly without noticeable friction, adding to its convenience. However, the weight limit may not cater to all users, and the cushion, while comfortable, could benefit from added thickness for long-term usage. The chair is easy to clean thanks to its removable cushion cover, but assembly might require extra care due to its intricate frame design. List 2. The beamy ergonomic wicker Papasan chair stands out as the most budget-friendly option in this comparison, yet it doesn't compromise on features. With a heavy-duty steel frame and a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds, this chair is built for durability and can accommodate a wide range of users. The cushion is exceptionally thick, measuring 6 3/4 inches, and includes 3 straps to keep it securely attached to the frame. The 360-degree swivel base is smooth and quiet, making it a practical choice for relaxing in various settings. Performance-wise, the chair excels in comfort and stability. The thick cushion provides excellent support, while the adjustable levelers ensure the chair remains stable on uneven surfaces. Its ergonomic design makes it suitable for extended periods of use, whether for reading, gaming, or lounging. However, the cushion requires regular fluffing to maintain its shape, and the assembly process, while straightforward, may take longer than expected due to the detailed instructions. List number. The Tita Lazy Chair with Ottoman offers a unique combination of comfort and versatility. Featuring a rust-proof steel frame and soft PP cotton cushions, this chair is designed for long-term durability. The addition of an ottoman enhances relaxation, providing support for your legs or serving as an extra seating option. With a weight capacity of 400 pounds, this chair caters to a wide range of users and includes a convenient side pocket for storing books or devices. The Tita chair is spacious and well-suited for adults, offering a comfortable seating experience with excellent head and back support. Its assembly process is simple and tool-free, making it accessible for all users. However, the chair's design leans more towards casual use, and the fabric may require regular cleaning to maintain its appearance. The Ottoman's foldable design is a practical touch, but it may not be as sturdy as the chair itself. List 4. The Garvey Life Outdoor Papasan Rocking Chair is a premium option designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Its reinforced steel frame and weather-resistant rattan ensure durability, while the UV-proof cushions provide comfort in various environments. The rocking motion is smooth and therapeutic, making it ideal for stress relief or casual lounging. Its modern design complements a range of decor styles, from bohemian to coastal. This chair excels in versatility, transitioning seamlessly between indoor and outdoor spaces. The ergonomic tilt control prevents excessive rocking, ensuring safety for users of all ages. Assembly is quick and straightforward, with pre-assembled components that snap together in minutes. However, the chair's price point may be a deterrent for budget-conscious buyers, and its size may not be suitable for compact spaces. List number 5. This BME bundle includes 2 Papasan chairs, a compact 40-inch model and a larger 61-inch model. Both chairs feature plush cushions and durable metal frames, offering a comfortable seating experience for various spaces. The smaller chair is perfect for tight corners, while the larger model provides a luxurious option for living rooms or patios. The cushions are made from high-quality fabric that is easy to maintain. The bundle is a great value for households looking to furnish multiple spaces with stylish, comfortable seating. The chairs are easy to assemble, with clear instructions included. However, the lack of detailed specifications for the larger chair may leave some buyers uncertain about its exact dimensions and weight capacity. Additionally, the bundle's availability may vary, making it less accessible than standalone options.